Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you a scarf for men. Of course, ladies should use that, but this is so simple and elegant crochet type. You can see that both sides is same. This is reversible and this is the basic rib crochet. Hope you like it. It's so easy and you can do it easily. I make a sample. It's nearly 1 meter, but also if you make it, you can make it 1 and 20 centimeter or 1.5, which size you want, because we start our crochet with we crochet that crosswise, not for that length. We start with chains like that. After we crochet on it, I totally crochet 30 rows, and its width is nearly 15 centimeter. It's not so wide, but I think it's enough size for that. I will give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments and don't forget subscribe to my channel. I think it's perfect Christmas gift. Don't you think? You can make it in one day and you can give a gift with someone you love, someone you like. Okay, if you're ready, we can start to crochet our basic scarf for men. Let's start. I use in my scarf Ören Bayan Madame Tricot Paris Tanya, and it's 100 grams of ball, and it's equal to 120 meters, 100% of acrylic, and it's size 5 bulky yarn. You can choose your yarn similar like that. You can wash it 30 degrees, you can ironing, and don't put in dry machine, and it's preferred to use as 4 or 5 millimeter hook, but I will use 6 millimeter hook. I told you first we start to crochet crosswise, so I want to make a simple for you. In that shawl, a 1 meter shawl with 6 millimeter hook, I have 120 chains. Now I want to show you with, but if you want to make it longer, you can add chains. For example, 150 or maybe 180, I think enough. But if your yarn more thinner than mine, you can add your chains. Okay, 200, 220. Measure that after start to crochet. I want to show you a sample. For that, I make 15 chains. First of all, make a slip knot. Then, not make so tight chains. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's not important how many chains you make. It's important how much centimeter you want your scarf. Don't forget that, because this centimeter is belongs with that first making your chains. Then turn my chains and you can see that back loops here. I insert my hook here, grab the yarn and make a slip knot. Always in that pattern we make slip knot only. We do that because we want to make a clear looking by the sides. Look at that. Look here. It's so clear. I come to the last stitch, and don't forget that here is the back loop, and make a slip stitch on it. This is the last chain, and we made the first row. This is the side. Okay, like that, growing up our scarf, and this length is your scarf's length. Okay, don't forget which size you want. You can make your chains that size. Then chain one and turn. Skip the first one and insert into the second one. You can see here back loop and front loop. I will insert my hook only back loop. Grab the yarn again and make a slip stitch. Then again we work only back loops and make a slip stitch. That's the pattern. It's so easy, and how much you choose your yarn more thicker, your loops, looking loops here, more bigger. Okay, I will give an advice for you not to make with thin yarns. With that you will choose more thinner, bulky yarns. Okay, that's important. Here. Here I come to the last stitch. I will insert into back loop and make a slip stitch. Finish the second row, chain one and do the same thing. Skip the first one because chain one is for that. Then when you look at the second, you will insert your hook from the back loop, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Only back loop, make a slip stitch. Okay. You can use that stitch in every project. You can use it for the brim, your beanies, or your sleeves under from that wrists part. Okay. I told that I crocheted totally 30 rows, but it's not enough for you. You can make it more rows, and you will make your chains which length you want. That's the pattern. It's so easy, and I think that's so elegant and beautiful gift. Hope you like this tutorial. I want to make some gift ideas in that month. Hope you will try and like that. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your watching. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, and on Pinterest as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.